the gate. Open the gate. Passing gate west now. Passing gate southwest, Wait. Passing gate southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest mo now. More damage. Okay, go back now. Peel him now. Brim. Jacket. Walk. Wait. Can you go out? Go out now. Then stay southwest. Put up an OC. OC. Southeast Iles, southeast position, Iles, southeast position. May ditang position yourself. Come to me southwest. Southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw southwest. Bit delay. Ready. Iles ready.
Ready.
Okay, deep west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw deep west.
Disconnected.
DC ba? DC?
Yeah, cook this.
Yo, come back sir, Coxing Gate.
Yan, baka.
Ay, sorry, gago.
Okay. Shallow southwest under ditang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow na ditang. Okay, go back.
I will reset the jacket.
Go back.
I will reset
Go
the
back.
jacket. I will jacket. They engage.
They will engage me.
Jacket, hold jacket 1 and 2.
We're
Hold jacket 1 and 2.
I need one more demon at front, guys. Wake up.
Ready,
Purpose now. Ang lag ko!
You can have heals at
Wait.
front.
Go southeast a bit. Ang lag ko, man.
Yo, they
Wait.
keep shallowing.
Ang lag ako, man. Okay. Over the, southwest van. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw crown, boys. Then peel him now.
Go sword, jacket 1. Jacket 1.
Okay, DPS now. We're gonna walk in,
Ready.
We're gonna go deep a bit southwest. Deep southwest. Walk now. Southwest deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest deep. Big. More damage.
I'm at the brim source.
Good. We kill.
They're wrapping north yard. North side mo. Wrapping. Jacket 2 now.
Okay, walk northwest now. Northwest engage. Ready? Iles. West now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw southwest. Big. More damage. Nice kill.
Yo, brim coming.
Nice kill. Cycle now.
Yo, be careful.
Cycle now. Cycle now.
Local.
Put yung jacket 1. Sige, jacket.
Guys, come to me. Walk. They're bailing. They will bail. Walk. CC them now. They're bailing. Occult.
Cold, Kush Elise.
Occult. Occult them.
Dana.
Occult them. Okay, deep southwest now. Deep west. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Catch a banner.
Cook disconnected again.
No. Tupo said, "Holy motherfucker." You never expect we can mass like that.
Yeah, this early. Guys, don't forget to heal your front, guys, because we're soaking at front. So
Okay, loot now. Get that. Touch the banner, then we go castle in Morning Goods Trophy. No other castle again. Pupunta na naman TFD dyan eh. Ang laki. Ay! Ravin tayo! Sync tayo! We go run Elvin sync, guys!
Don't set home anywhere else near Cook, because if someone here, you need
Yeah, boss.
Yeah, let's go. Goal.
Popcorn fan 1 minute.
We get purple core. We get purple core.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Should we reset OC or no?
So because if you go castle like this, not enough. If you fight longer than castle a bit, you
Okay,
will.
okay. Bank your loot, then we reset OC. Aray
No,
ko.
it's
Get purple
55
coin fan
minutes. Look,
first.
when you double OC,
Huh?
it's 55 minutes.
55
No.
minutes. Okay, it's enough. I think it's enough. It's enough. No, don't
No.
double OC. Don't double OC.
No, go. Imagine if you fight longer a bit. How? And you run back like that. If you have loot, you run back or something. Please. You have time here. Reset OC.
Okay. Just reset OC. My bad. Okay. Yeah.
Mamaya mo
It's breaks.
na-reset. Mamaya mo na-reset. Dali mo
Hawa,
muna sa pen.
hawa. It's hawa.
Dali mo muna sa pen.
Hawa,
Yes,
oblique.
boss.
Hawa.
Bank your loot first.
Reset.
Grabe, ang
Enough.
hirap na.
Do that.
Hawa said boss.
Sorry,
Hawa
sorry.
said it's enough.
Yeah,
No.
it can reach exactly, but yeah,
Warning,
you
Hawa,
have to
warning.
travel.
Wow,
Yeah.
warning me, ah.
No.
Yeah, we cannot go back. I see.
It's okay. You can cap this, oh.
Lin, party 1, Lin. I need porch bark, Lin. I need porch bark.
Naka ano yun, rampant. Nakabili na ng set. May porch bar ka dyan eh.
Oh, no. Who is my porch bark?
You have porch
Saan kang
bark
porch
already.
bark dyan? Na ano, sa guild?
Meron ako. Wait lang. Kukunin ko muna tong purple.
Wait lang, outlaw pa ako. May isang cutthroat pa dito.
Kunin natin yung men. CCTV, kalabanin natin CCTV doon. Mas maganda, defending side tayo.
Guys, Ilis, tulungan mo ako.
Where do we bank loot?
Bank in guild loot drop.
Can you help us? 1630 here. On pen.
Where?
Yeah, Dragon Maze go ganking us.
Yeah, it's okay. Let them. They will bring it to us.
They
We
will
get
pass
it
here. They
already.
will pass here. If they take
No,
it,
we
let
get it
them.
already. We get it already.
Okay, go.
Chill, guys. Chill.
We should let them bring here and then we spread here and we kill them.
Ayab.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hawa.
Sorry,
Reset
boss.
OC, Conan,
We got
reset
it
OC.
already. We got it already, so that's why.
That's why.
Okay,
that's why
everyone
Hawa-
now. Everyone all out. You reset your OC all, right? Reset your OC. Reset your OC, boys. Reset your OC because we will go Ranel Vinsync.